friends, all welcome to my channel. Today this is a great and very big dragon fruit garden in Bangladeshi Blaze area. I would like to explain some important information and some of the technical sides of dragon fruit cultivation process, and very simple and short description. I am now going to explain it in a short description. So stay with me, subscribe my channel, and watch more videos in my channel, and share it to others to watch these videos. So come to the point, how to make the soil for the plant. And first, the soil requirements for dragon fruit is the acidic pH of the salt. That means 6 to 7 pH of the salt. The dragon fruit is very fruitful, and it will grow easily. The soil, the requirements is sandy soil. Because of the dragon fruit requires water, but should not stay on is so the sandy soil always uh, take some water but will not retain, and the soil will be drained away. The water will be drained away from the soil, so the water is required for the plant but should not stay on it for good productivity. Now come to the point, what is the important things or fertilizer can be used in the dragon fruit. The different types of fertilizers are required for the plant for its productivity and growth. First of all, the we can use some cow dung and compost with the sandy soil, and sometimes the urea, phosphate, and potash, because the nitrogen is the important things for the plant to be grown. So the for the nitrogen, urea is important. Urea, phosphate, and potash is very important for the plant, and this plant will grow easily after getting this manure. So this urea, phosphate, and potash is 3:1:2 concentration is used in the plant. And now, what is the amount of uh, manure or fertilizer is required for the plants? First, I would like to explain the if the urea is used 100 gram, then phosphate is used 33 gram, and the potash is 66 gram is used in the soil to make it for the dragon cultivation. Now the important things to be discussed, when the manure is used in the plant. The three stages of manure in the plants. First of all, the initial stage, first the spring, or when the plant is planted or cultivated, start. And then after 6 months, and then after 12 months, the fertilizer is applied on the plant. This 100 gram, 33 gram, and 66 gram fertilizer is used in each plant for this 12 months. Now come to the point how the new plant is prepared. You can look at the branch of the dragon tree. There are few thorns in this plant, and take you can cut any space of the branch. You can cut. Look at here. You can cut from this point or any in this point. Cut it and 2 to 3 inches deep. It is planted on soil, the pre-prepared soil, and it will grow after 45 days. Now come to the point. The important things you have to understand or know that if you prepare the new plants from the new branches, you can do it. But if you plant these new branches, the new fruit will come after 12 months or more. But if you make a new plant from the before the fruit has been fruit has come from the branch. If you make a new plant from this branch, then the fruits will get after 6 months. So the mature branch is best for you to make a new plant for plantation. Then you will get within short period of time the new fruits. And this is importantly should be remember. Now I would like to explain some important diseases of the dragon fruit. The branches may be affected by some of the fungal and some of other bacterial disease and protozoa. So you have to use some technique to remove from these diseases. Anthracnose is one type of disease. This is caused by a fungal infection. So you can use in Bangladesh the Syngenta used the amistatop. The active of this chemical is azoxystrobin and diphenhconazole, and this active is pre-prepared solution is used 1 ml with 1 liter water, 1 ml solution, and this is then sprayed on the plant. This plant will be healthy and will be removed the fungal infection. And you have to look at other things in here, that this fungal infection can also be removed by using the cutting process. When any branch of the tree is infected by the fungus, you have to remove this by cutting out. Then other branches will be soaked. And if some trees are, you can look at sometimes the ants can affect on the plant and fruits, and then you can use some other things, that means liquid soap, 2 spoonful liquid soap, and other is some oil. This is then used with 4 liter of water, and this 4 liter water is sprayed on the plant, then the ant will be removed. You know, the different types of varieties of dragon fruits are available in now. The most variety are the red Zaina, American Beauty or American Ball. The others are Vietnamese dragon fruit, yellow dragon fruit, the most, and some others. More than 20 varieties are present now. But the yellow dragon fruit is more sweet than the others, about double sweetness. And moreover, the plant gives its fruits over 4 to 5 months. It started from June, and the fruits is after the fruits will end on September, and you have to take care of the plants for good productivity. Here, if rain comes very short time after flourishing the flower may be destroyed. And the water management is an important factor for the dragon fruit, because if after rain, if those water is placed on stayed on the dragon fruit, it will cause the branch waste, and the flowers may be shade out. So the drainage system is important to save the plants from this. And it starts continuously in a thorn. You can see in the thorn that each thorn gives a bud, gives a flower, and gives a fruit. And continuously, if one thorn gives a burst, there will no burst in the next time in that thorn, but the other side thorn gives another burst. So different types of important factors should be considered before uh, plantation and gardening of the dragon fruit. So continuous taking information from continuous process will give good productivity. So stay with us and stay with me to take more information about dragon fruit. Subscribe my channel and get more information from other videos, and I think you will get more information about dragon fruit. We are collecting different types of topics and related matters about dragon fruit and dragon fruit cultivation process for good productivity. So thanks viewers to all. Subscribe my channel and continuously get more information. Thank you.